What's up, bros? Check it out. We are here. It's a quiet night. There's not as many people out as typically. We get one little splash of rain and people don't show up. However, G's show up, including this brand new R1 for my homie. Not brand new, but brand new to him. It looks dope. I hope you guys recognize this one. It's been a while since I rode with... Shit, the last time I rode with Mr. Apex Flex, he was 16750, and boy, he has upgraded his lifestyle. Looking good. This bike is so sick. Believe it or not, it comes black and red. And he did all this custom work, the powder coating of the wheels, the wrap. If you look really closely, it's actually like a brushed aluminum wrap. And that's what he does for a living, so that's pretty cool. And, you know, you got the White Witch back there, the White Walker. I got names for her. Many, many names. And then you got R6 and a ZX6. And other than that, you got nothing. So we're chilling. We're going to probably do a little bit of riding. Believe it or not, like the roads, some of the roads take forever to dry out, and we did a little recon on the way up, and there was like standing water in a lot of different places. So only the realist out tonight. No offense, but you know, rain or shine, hot or cold, we're out here. So let's get to it. It's time. It is time. This is gonna be a real chill ride. We got bald we got bald tires everywhere. Hey, who's in charge here? Just love the way those R1s sound. Love them, love them, love them. Not only that, but it's going to be a chill ride too. A short ride, I mean. Okay. Those lights look good on those wheels, bro. Uh-oh. We got bad days. So anyway, I hope the mic sounds okay, because I've taken enough ridicule on some of the vids, and I'm tired of playing with the audio. So this is a Apple headphones that is cut off and wrapped in a dead cat and stuffed in the helmet. In case you're wondering the mic setup. Ha! Yeah, right. Oh, the bro's feeling saucy today. Did we already lose the 600s? Love the way the bike sounds downshifting. Sometimes I just get in a higher gear just so I can hear it downshift. Watch. Oh, we just lost them. Always use your signals, bros. I guess we're going this way. it easy, he said. Man, I'm getting rocks. Oh, the downshift. I know. We did so many circles. Woo! You can tell the boys are feeling good tonight. Whoa! Whoa! Damn, that thing spits. I forget what that exhaust is, like Race Life or something. Oh, from bombshells to bombshells. We're sponsored by Bombshells tonight, folks. Bro, this is bike parking. What are y'all doing? Do you see? Motorcycle. Motocicleta. Para mis amigos. Hey, straighten that shit out. Straighten that shit out. We're bullying around here, you know. Oh. We're just gonna chill, they said. We're just gonna go on a quick ride, they said.